Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I am Cindy Smaha, and you guessed it, today is another hair cutting video. I have had it with my hair. It is way too long, it's too dry, and I want to change it up a bit. I am going to go for a really short pixie haircut. My hair has just gotten too long, and in the morning, I just don't have a lot of time during the week to mess with my hair. And so I want to be able to wash it, fluff it, run, spike it, stick it back, slick it back, however I want to do it. And I need easy. So before I get into the hair cutting tutorial, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel grow. And then please be sure to leave me a comment. You know, I so love to hear from you. So let's get going. Okay, the hair is wet. And you can see it's just, wow, it's longer than I have normally had my hair. So it's just a little too long for me. The sides are too long. This is too long. That's too long. It's just, I'm just not happy at all with it. I'm just not happy. So I am going to change it up. So, and I also saw a really cool technique, which I've never seen before, where you twist the hair and then you take the shears and go chink, chink, chink. And that really makes it really feathery. So I'm going to give that a try. So I'm always all for new things. So let's get chopping. Yeah, I'm going to use this one. First cut is always the hardest. Forgot to put my bag on. If you've seen my videos before, you know that I cut a plastic bag in half, and then I put the little string thing. I get one of those, put that around my neck. All the hair falls in the bag. Even when I turn around, it stays there, and then I don't get a mess. So yeah. this is, wow, the finished chop. I took a lot of hair off, but look how much volume I got on top. That is so nice. I'm thrilled with it. It's thinner. The ends are not as dry. I like it. I like it. I like it. So let me jump in the shower and I'll give you the finished result in a sec. Hang on. Okay, here is the finished look. I think it looks really good. I'm very happy with it. All I did was wash it and run my fingers through it, put some product in, and I think it looks really super nice. It lays down really, really well. Gave me a little bit more volume on top, which what I was looking for, and it's easy. I can just wash it and run like this if I want, or wash it and push it down, you know, and off I go. And that's what I want. There is a toning rinse in my future, definitely. Shows up a little bit more yellowy, brassy than I want. But takeaways today were that the twisty thing, I was doing a little bit too thick when I was twisting it, so a little bit shorter and smaller, skinnier, and then I just got lazy at the end and just decided to and I was doing it at 5:30 in the morning. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope it gave you some inspiration for your hair and that little more confidence if you want to cut your own hair like I did, and give it a try. Why not? So I so love you wherever you are in the world. I'm sending you lots of hugs and kisses, and I'll see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.